Here is a summary of the initiatives in Zila Parishad schools, Takichiwadi, Murbad and around it by Malati Vaidya Smruti Trust. And these are net metering, Swachh Water, Smokeless Cooker, digital learning and digital certification. So let's start with the net metering, a 2.7 kilowatt installed capacity, and today it also has been completed in Zila Parishad Koiste school. So here in case of Takichiwadi, the facade of the school has been made with these solar panels, 8 of them which have been integrated, and they all are converting the sun energy into electricity, and as a net metering they are feeding into the grid, thereby making the electrical bill of the school practically zero. We cannot install more than the previous bills of the school, hence we have limited it to 2.7. So this is the net metering project which has been completed. Now let's move on to the project of Swachh Water, a 1000 liter system, 400 liters per hour, pardon my typo, and it's for 150 students, enough to last for 3 to 4 days, has been completed on 10th of July, and that's the motor which pumps 400 liters an hour, and this is the full system. There are 2 filters on the top and there is a third filter at the bottom. They all fill up this tank of 1000 liters in about 2.5 to 3 hours, giving the most hygienic, clean water to the school children who initially were drinking the raw water. And the testing of this water which has been done turns out to be extremely clean, and with those numbers, the purest water children can drink without depleting any inherent minerals which are needed by our body. About this water, the important thing which we also need to understand, that for the children coming to the school in these summer heats, water is the magnet. Ever since initially this submersible pump in the borewell was installed, the total school strength rose 300% from 50 to 150. And now the same children, in addition to that water for washing the utensils, have this fresh water tank, Swachh Water, on the ground floor as well as on the first floor. So that is Swachh project. Now we move on to the Smokeless Cooker. This cooker for 180 students, every day the lunch is made, and the suited kitchen right now does not have any carbon deposits, and it is efficiently cooking meals for 150 children of this school. So that's the Smokeless Cooker. Now we move on to the digital learning. The school has a lab of 8 stations. 2 further schools are being also given these digital labs with 15 stations each. Furnitures and the infrastructure has been ordered. So that is the digital learning for this class 8 student. But after the learning, there is a need to get certification. 30 students, 8 standard, have already been given the certificates, and in this class also endeavor to teach with the help of this monitor and these current workstations with their cameras, and they are being further increased to 15. This is for digital learning as well as for the distance learning, from where the mentors and coaches are teaching science, life skill, people skill, computer skills, English to these Aaadivasi children. So overall, it's extremely exciting that these projects have been completed. In the end of the day, being together, breaking bread together, huddling together is a sheer joy. And we thank you, all the trustees, stakeholders, and people who themselves have put in their trust into Malati Vaidya Smruti Trust. Thank you.